Have you ever been in a situation where you had a lot of data to manage, but your spreadsheet just couldn't handle it? It's a frustrating experience, and it can make it difficult to get your work done. But what if there was a solution? In this video, we're going to talk about Smartsheet, a powerful tool that can handle even the largest datasets. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform that allows you to create, manage, and collaborate on spreadsheets, tasks, projects, and more. It's a great tool for teams of all sizes, and it can help you to get more done in less time. In this video, we're going to answer the following questions. What is Smartsheet? How much data can Smartsheet handle? What are the benefits of using Smartsheet? How can you get started with Smartsheet? By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of how Smartsheet can help you to manage your data more effectively. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform that allows you to create, manage, and collaborate on spreadsheets, tasks, projects, and more. It's a great tool for teams of all sizes, and it can help you to get more done in less time. Smartsheet has a number of features that make it a powerful tool for data management. These features include the ability to handle large amounts of data, the ability to create custom reports and dashboards, the ability to collaborate with other users on your spreadsheets, the ability to integrate with other applications, such as Salesforce and Jira. Smartsheet is also a very user-friendly platform. It's easy to learn how to use, and there are a number of resources available to help you get started. How much data can Smartsheet handle? Smartsheet can handle very large amounts of data. The exact amount of data that you can handle will depend on a number of factors, such as the type of data you're using, the number of users who are accessing the data, and the amount of storage space you have available. However, Smartsheet is generally able to handle millions of rows of data. This makes it a great tool for managing large datasets, such as customer data, financial data, and project data. What are the benefits of using Smartsheet? There are a number of benefits to using Smartsheet, including increased productivity. Smartsheet can help you to get more done in less time by automating repetitive tasks and making it easier to collaborate with other team members. Improved data management. Smartsheet can help you to manage your data more effectively by providing you with a centralized location for all of your data. Enhanced collaboration. Smartsheet can help you to collaborate with other team members more effectively by providing them with real-time access to your data. Increased visibility. Smartsheet can help you to get a better understanding of your data by providing you with a variety of reports and dashboards. Smartsheet is a great tool for businesses of all sizes. It can help you to improve your productivity, manage your data more effectively, and collaborate with your team members more efficiently. How can you get started with Smartsheet? If you're interested in learning more about Smartsheet, you can sign up for a free trial or purchase a subscription. Once you've signed up, you can start creating your own spreadsheets and tasks. There are also a number of resources available to help you get started with Smartsheet. These resources include the Smartsheet website, the Smartsheet Help Center, the Smartsheet Community Forum. I encourage you to take some time to explore these resources and learn more about how Smartsheet can help you to manage your data more effectively. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that can help you to manage even the largest datasets. It's a great tool for businesses of all sizes, and it can help you to improve your productivity, manage your data more effectively, and collaborate with your team members more efficiently. If you're looking for a way to manage your data more effectively, I highly recommend giving Smartsheet a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,